your wellness.
Mm-hmm.
Dedicate an hour to your wellness in the form of meditation, in the form of journaling, in the form of breathing, in the form of planning out your day, in the form of just, grounding.
Yeah. And then the second
Anything
one,
that grounds.
yeah. Second one is make sure you have a healthy meal, a healthy breakfast.
Nutrition, correct.
Yeah.
Second one is the breakfast. And then third is, and that was your collaboration, which is doing something proactively for your business, but that's kind of like more focusing on yourself than kind of putting you on a stressful, situation from the go.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so then after lunch, what should we be doing?
I think it's very important, again, we need to move. These are moments of healing that energy's coming up, as I said, and you can feel it in your body. And I think we need to move in whatever way, shape, or form you find that works for you. Some people it's boot camp, some people is yoga. There's a ton of resources. YouTube, there's a lot of streaming right now going on. Like, any studio offers live streaming or on demand. I think movement is important. You have to exercise. We have to
move your body, because
and I was trying to find the word in English, contrarrestar, kind of like balance it out, where we're sedentary, living a much more sedentary life right now, so you gotta like balance it out with movement.
Which makes absolute sense. And I love that you mentioned YouTube, because you know that this video is going to be streamed on YouTube later. So if you can't catch the whole thing now, you can catch it later on my channel. But the reason I love YouTube is for the reason that you just mentioned. I mean, if you want a dance class, you're going to find one. If you want yoga, you're going to find it. Meditation, you can figure out how to build a stationary bike with a bicycle and put it in your living room on YouTube. I mean, YouTube is like the go-to resource.